Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's DTI tutorial, here I'm going to serve a floral beach babe fantasy that's equal parts tropical glam and runway ready realness. So whether you're walking the sand on or the stage, this outfit will have everyone saying, "Where did she get that?" So let's break down this ultimate floral beach fit. So first, for the hair, I only use this curly hair and also combine with the bangs from this hairstyle. You can choose the color that you like for the hair. And then I'm going to put on this skirt in a summer update and use this patterns here, this purple one. And here I'm going to just go straight, put on some accessories. So first I'm going to grab this chains, and then I'm going to grab this necklace and color it blue like this. And let's just go to the dressing room. So first, for the top, I'm going to use one from the petal updates, this top in here, and just use the same patterns. And for the halter, I'm going to also just use the same, and for the lacing, just choose purple. And in here, for the sandals or the shoe, I'm going to wear this summer sandals. For the shoe, just color it purple, and the strap, I'm going to go with this blue color, insole purple again, and the inside flowers all purple. Let me grab this top, this bra, this bikini set, and choose the same patterns, and also this underwear in here. And I'm going to use these eyelashes. For the accessory, I'm going to grab from the Valentine updates this bracelet in here and color it silver, just like this. Now let's put on some more accessory. I'm going to grab this bag, color it a blue in silk. And I'm going to grab these earrings, these big earrings at the top. And I forgot to put on the belly piercing in here, and just choose blue as the color. And next, you can just combine the top with this top in here, the one in the middle. Then just use the same patterns. And this is the summer floral fit for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.